Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at PowerPoint and how you can add background music to your presentations. This will be a pretty quick tutorial, but if you do find it useful, please do click on that like button and hit subscribe. It means a lot to the channel. And with all that said, let's jump on over to PowerPoint. Okay, so here we are just in a presentation I've created, and what I want to do is actually add some background music to this presentation. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually head over to the Insert tab of the ribbon, and we're going to give that a click and then head over on the far right hand side to Audio. And from here we're going to add some audio from my PC, and I'm going to click on this particular piece of music that I have downloaded from YouTube. So I'm just going to click Insert, and then we have this little icon appear. So I'm just going to move this over to the top right hand side, and then from here what we want to do is make sure that we're in the playback options of the audio. The first thing we want to do is click from this drop down menu here to make it sure it plays automatically, and then we hide this icon during the presentation itself. Then we want to tick to make sure that we can play the audio in the background across all the slides, and then we want to loop it until it stops. And then obviously make sure that this is selected, which is play in background, which automatically will select when you select loop until stopped. Okay, that is the audio setup. Now this particular audio track, I just need to trim it a little bit, so we can do that. We have full control here. So the first 2 seconds of this, it doesn't actually start anything, so I'm just going to trim off the first couple of seconds here, and then just click OK. Right, so that's now trimmed off, and everything there is good to go. What we can now do is just jump over to the slideshow itself, play it from the beginning, and as I click on each one of these, the music will start. And as we go through each particular slide, the music will be playing in the background. And I'm just checking my headphones to make sure that I can hear it, and it is playing correctly. So as you go through every slide, that music will continue all the way until the end of the presentation. And it's as simple as that, guys, in order to be able to add some audio to your presentations, have them play either on specific slides or have them at very specific intervals within your presentations, or just have it continuously playing in the background across all the slides. If you did find this video useful, please do click on the like button, hit subscribe and tap that bell. It means a lot to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.